Kelly has made a friend once again. He's trying to eat Kelly. I can hold it. Oh, look at the touch. Oh, what is this, huh? Do you like my camera? He's like, let me out. Let me out, let me out. I want to come out and play. I want to go home with you. Hello, little birdie up there. Oh, I touched his paw or hands. Claw? Maybe? Hello, little birdie. Claw pawing you. They're all on your hands. What is that one doing in his butt? Well, that one was licking Kelly over there, the big one. They like you, Dad.
Yeah.
What the heck? You put some food in there, didn't you?
No.
No.
No?
I like his first head with
No?
Look at that blue he has on his head. Hello, little birdies. Hello. Why do I like you so much? They all like it, I don't know. What is he doing? He stretched his
You
leg.
gotta put your hand down there? Look at
They
your hand
bite.
down there? Yeah, they just nibble. They don't
They
hurt.
attack your hand.
No, they don't hurt. What they
Ah!
and they think you're
Ah!
I'm
They're biting my
Yeah,
hand.
they don't hurt.
And it tickles a lot.
Make you raise your hand slowly.
They're all licking my hand.
Don't drop the camera in there.
Ah! Do I taste good, Bertie's? Kelly's trying to get some too. I got a lot.
Don't bite my
They
hand.
don't hurt.
It's pinching.
It tickles a lot.
That's how you get to know you. Right.
Ow! Ow! And they go, ow! That one hurts right there.
You're so lying. You can steal all mine. They like your hair. Don't scare them away from my hand,
I'm not. I thought they'd like it because it's shiny. But I guess not. Here, I'm gonna stick my hand in.
Is it funny?
They love your hair. Like, I like your hair, man.
Will I get any? Oh, there comes one.
I got the blue one on me.
I got a blue one. Look in my sleeve.
Ow, he's
They don't really like me.
Green nibble.
They like you though. Alright, say goodbye, people.
Bye-bye.